Hey everyone! Today we're taking a closer look at the SplitMax air conditioner from Climify, the viral mini AC that's been blowing up all over social media. You've probably seen the ads claiming it can cool or heat a 500 square foot room in just 5 seconds, uses 3,500 watts while somehow staying energy efficient, and works without any kind of exhaust vent. Pretty impressive on paper, but does any of that actually make sense? Let's break it down. First, the power claim. A real 3,500 watt device would instantly trip most home circuits, and you can't advertise ultra high power while also saying the product is low energy. Those two things completely contradict each other. Then there's the 12,000 BTU claim. Real 12,000 BTU air conditioners are large, heavy units that require proper ventilation to remove heat. But SplitMax? It's palm-sized, lightweight, and has no exhaust system whatsoever. Without ventilation, it's physically impossible for any device to reduce the temperature of a room. What you're really getting is something much closer to a mini fan, maybe with a cooling pad, but definitely not a full AC system. Now here's where things get even more suspicious. The Climify website was registered in May 2025, yet the company claims to have over 8 years of experience. There's no verified address, no phone number, and no proof of real certifications, just vague statements and polished marketing. And the reviews? The Trustpilot comments featured on the site look a little too perfect. Many are nearly identical, were posted around the same time, and contain generic praise with no real details. That's a classic sign of mass-produced or manipulated feedback. After digging further, we found the exact same product on Alibaba for around $10. Same design, same size, same inner components. It's not an advanced cooling system, it's a tiny portable fan being sold with a massive markup. So what's the final verdict? SplitMax isn't necessarily a straight up scam, but it is heavily misleading. It's marketed like a powerful AC unit, but in reality, it's a small personal fan dressed up with big promises. It will not cool a large room, it won't replace a real air conditioner, and it definitely won't deliver the performance shown in the ads. If you're looking for real cooling, stick with trusted brands that provide verified specs, proper ventilation, and legitimate energy ratings, not viral gadgets relying on hype and clever marketing. If you've tried SplitMax or a similar mini AC, drop your experience in the comments. And if this helped you avoid wasting your money, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more no-nonsense reviews.